Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's most anticipated foldable Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a pretty amazing phone. It folds open into a tablet, making it super unique. Now, the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 is coming soon with new exciting features and characteristics, and everyone is eager to see what's new. Here are 5 changes we're hoping to see. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Number 1. Lighter and easier to hold. Let's be honest, the Galaxy Z Fold is a bit bulky. Carrying it around or using it for long periods can get tiring. Rumors say the Z Fold 7 will be slimmer and lighter, which is great news. A lighter phone means it'll be more comfortable to hold and easier to slip into your pocket or bag. Number 2. More vivid screen. The folding screen is what makes this phone special, but it's also the part people worry about the most. Samsung is said to be improving the hinge, the part that lets the phone fold, and making the screen more durable. Plus, the crease in the middle of the screen might be less visible, making everything look smoother when unfolded. Number 3. Battery life. A big phone with a big screen needs a battery that can keep up. The Z Fold 7 is expected to have a 4500 mAh battery, which is pretty decent. But we're hoping for even better battery life, so you don't have to charge it as often. Fast charging is also rumored, so you can power up quickly when needed. Number 4. Improved ultra cameras. The cameras on previous Z Fold 7 models have been good, but not as impressive as other Samsung phones like the Galaxy S Ultra. The Z Fold 7 might change that with a 200 megapixel main camera, meaning sharper, more detailed photos. There could also be a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10 megapixel zoom camera. For selfies, we might see a 10 megapixel front camera, and a hidden 4 megapixel under-display camera for the inner screen. These upgrades could make the Z Fold 7 a fantastic phone for professional photography. Number 5. A more affordable price. Let's face it, foldable phones are expensive. The Z Fold 7 will probably still cost a lot, with rumors suggesting around $1,900. But we're hoping Samsung offers better deals, discounts, or trade-in options to make it more affordable. It would be great to see more people get to experience this awesome technology. Number 6. Launch date. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 was launched in July 2024. It is reported that the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be launched in same pattern. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.